Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Redmi A7 Pro, Galaxy A07 4G and Galaxy A15C 4G. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Next, compare display features. Redmi A7 Pro and Redmi 15C come with IPS LCD display, and the Galaxy A07 comes with PLS LCD display. Hardware features. Redmi A7 Pro is powered by the Unisoc chipset, and the Galaxy A07 and Redmi 15C come with MediaTek chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.